Maybe you've seen the billboard near the Highland Strip or heard the story on Wednesdays Live at 9. A campaign called Birds Are Not Real brings its efforts to the Mid-South.
Well, this movement came about in 1976, just to avoid any, liberal media hit job. This didn't start with me. This started in 1976, when whispering started coming about from the White House, saying that birds were in the process of being murdered on a mass level. When this started coming about, that's when the movement began. This movement is reactionary. We really didn't start this. The government started this. When whispering started coming about from the White House. So really before the internet age, before the internet era, it was very easy to censor ideas and opinions that aren't popular and that people don't agree with. The message of the movement is essentially to spread awareness that from 1959 through 2001, the government mercilessly genocided over 12 billion birds and simultaneously replaced them with surveillance drones in disguise that film us every day. To back that up, I have as much evidence as the birds have provided. There's so much. So much. To back that up, I have so much. So much. So much. So much. So much. Whispering started coming about from the White House. To back that up, I have as much evidence as the birds have provided. There's so much.
Birds are not real.
When whispering started coming about from the White House. Well, this movement came about in 1976, just to avoid any, liberal media hit job. Liberal media hit job. 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 Hit job. Liberal media hit job.